channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add MCP server in your Google Antigravity. So guys, if you want to add the MCP server, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all go to the settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of customization. In the customization here it shows install MCP server. So you just go for add MCP server. Now guys, here you choose the server that you want to comfortable. So I like to add the Firebase. So now it is installing. So the Firebase model context protocol server gives a AI powered development tools that ability to work with your Firebase project. Okay, it's take few seconds to install, and after the installation you just enter the prompts related to the MCP servers and you can get access, and even you can change all of the things. Okay, now here it shows the install. You go back and again go to the settings and go for customization, and guys here you see the if it is shows the error deadline exceed, so you try to refresh it and try to use the another. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.